Imagine turning on your TV and stepping into a world that feels sharper, faster, more immersive, and more intelligent than anything you've ever experienced before. Because the Apple TV for K2025 is not just another streaming device. It is a complete transformation of what home entertainment can be when cutting-edge hardware, powerful software, and Apple's signature ecosystem all merge into one seamless experience designed to elevate everything you watch, hear, and interact with. From the moment you power it on, the difference is unmistakable. The Apple TV 4K 2025 features a new AI-based custom chip designed specifically for ultra-high-performance streaming, artificial intelligence upscaling lightning-fast navigation, and console-level gaming that suddenly makes your living room feel like it has entered a new entertainment era. Colors explode with depth, shadows stretch with detail, textures feel alive. And thanks to Dolby Vision IQ Pro, every single frame is dynamically adjusted with real-time intelligence, so movies feel cinematic, shows feel immersive, and even older content feels unexpectedly modern. Combined with Dolby Atmos adaptive audio, which analyzes your room and adjusts sound spatially with incredible precision, your home suddenly feels like a personalized theater where dialogue becomes sharper, effects become bolder, and big action scenes surround you from every direction as if the walls themselves are generating sound. But raw performance is only one part of this story. The Apple TV for K2025 has been designed to feel deeply personal, almost as if it understands you, your preferences, your mood, and your viewing habits. The redesigned interface, inspired by Vision OS, moves with fluid motion, smooth curves, responsive animations, and a level of polish that feels luxurious from the instant you start navigating. App switching becomes instant, scrolling feels effortless, and transitions glide across your screen with the kind of visual finesse that only Apple consistently delivers. But what really stands out is the new intelligent personal profile system, which automatically identifies who is watching simply by detecting the remote or associated device and instantly adjusts recommendations, watch lists, home screen layout, audio preferences, accessibility settings, and even notifications. This means no more mixed suggestions, no more accidental progress changes, and no more confusion when multiple people in your home use the TV at different times. It feels like the device knows exactly who you are without needing to ask. Then comes the ecosystem magic. When paired with your iPhone or Apple Watch, the Apple TV 4K 2025 transforms into something far beyond a simple streaming box. A single tap turns your phone into a precision remote with spatial audio control, allowing you to fine-tune sound direction, increase vocal clarity, or shift audio toward your side of the room if someone else is sleeping. The new instant screen share technology allows you to mirror or transfer videos, games, workouts, or apps with nearly zero delay, making the entire experience feel wireless and frictionless in a way that older generations never achieved. Apple Arcade benefits tremendously from the upgraded A18 chip. Games load faster, graphics look richer, frame rates reach up to 120 FPS in supported titles, and the entire interface remains cool, quiet, and energy efficient, even during long sessions. In many ways, Apple has given the Apple TV enough performance headroom to feel relevant for years, if not the whole decade. The brand new Neural AI upscaling engine might be one of the most impressive hidden upgrades. Whether you're watching older YouTube videos, classic sitcoms, documentaries, or grainy low-resolution content, the engine rebuilds frames on the fly, restoring lost details, reducing noise, smoothing edges, and sharpening textures so effectively that it almost feels like watching remastered versions created specifically for modern screens. Sports look dramatically better due to motion precision, which reduces blur and stabilizes fast movement without introducing the artificial soap effect that viewers dislike. Football, basketball, racing, and fast-cut action scenes become fluid, crisp, and thrilling to watch, making the Apple TV for K2025 a must-upgrade for sports fans. Even the remote receives meaningful enhancements. The new Apple TV Remote Pro 2025 features a brighter adaptive backlight, improved haptics, more responsive buttons, and a Find My integration that can guide you directly to your remote, using directional precision tracking. No more couch diving or scanning the entire room. Your iPhone can literally point you to the exact cushion or drawer where the remote is hiding. Voice Precision Mode enhances Siri responsiveness even in noisy environments, allowing you to search, control apps, adjust settings, and play content without repeating yourself. And with Adaptive Touch on the iPhone remote interface, button sensitivity adjusts automatically based on how you're holding your device, adding an extra layer of fluidity that makes navigation feel more natural than ever before. Apple has also strengthened the smart home capabilities of the Apple TV for K2025 with Matter 2.0 integration and faster and-device automation processing. The device becomes a more powerful smart home hub. Lights, thermostats, locks, and accessories respond with better reliability and lower latency. The introduction of HomeKit Studio Mode allows you to create cinematic lighting scenes, automatically triggered when watching specific genres of content. Imagine your lights dimming the moment a movie begins or shifting into a soft ambient glow during gaming sessions. Everything feels instant and deeply integrated, turning your home into a responsive entertainment environment that adapts to what you're watching. Another futuristic upgrade comes with Apple Immersive Media. Support for spatial videos and panoramic experiences captured on iPhone 16 Pro introduces a new form of entertainment that blends 2D clarity with 3D depth. These aren't VR videos. They are spatially aware scenes that offer a layered sense of immersion on your TV without needing a headset. Whether it's memories, travel footage, concerts, or documentary experiences, the sense of depth creates an emotional connection that is surprisingly powerful. Apple is clearly laying the foundation for the future of spatial storytelling. And the Apple TV for K2025 acts as the gateway to this new medium. Privacy remains a priority. Apple ensures that your viewing habits and personal data stay on your device. No selling, no third-party tracking, no data mining. In an era where many streaming platforms aggressively track user behavior, this level of privacy feels refreshing and reassuring. It's one of those invisible features that doesn't show up on spec sheets but makes a meaningful difference to the user experience. So should you upgrade? For the first time in several years, the answer leans strongly toward yes. The leap in AI upscaling, Dolby Vision IQ Pro, Atmos adaptive audio, faster UI performance, smarter ecosystem features, deeper personalization, improved gaming capability, enhanced smart home integration, and new immersive media support collectively deliver an experience that feels genuinely next generation. Even if you own the 2021 or 2022 model, the improvements are large enough to justify the upgrade, especially if you care about picture quality, gaming, and long-term future-proofing. This device is not just faster, it's more intelligent, more refined, more capable, and noticeably more immersive. It becomes the heart of your entertainment setup, quietly elevating everything you watch and turning your television into a smarter, sharper, more dynamic window into the content you love. In the end, the Apple TV for K2025 doesn't just upgrade your entertainment setup, it redefines what a modern home experience should feel like. It brings together stunning visuals, theater-grade audio, lightning-fast performance, intelligent personalization, and a flawlessly connected ecosystem in a way that feels effortless, polished, and undeniably premium. It takes every movie, every show, every game, and every moment you spend in front of your screen and lifts it to a level that feels richer, sharper, and more immersive than anything that came before it. Whether you use it for streaming, gaming, fitness, smart home control, or spatial content, the Apple TV 4K 2025 delivers an experience that feels built for the future. It's not just a device, it's the new center of your home entertainment universe. A quiet powerhouse that transforms your screen into something extraordinary every single time you press play.